Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect HubSpot with Slack so you can manage records and receive HubSpot notifications directly inside Slack. This integration helps your team stay updated in real time without leaving Slack. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. In the main navigation bar, click the Marketplace icon, then select App Marketplace. In the search bar, type Slack and select the Slack integration from the results. Next, click Install App in the top right corner. You'll be redirected to Slack in a new browser tab. Review the requested permissions, then click Allow to approve the connection. Once approved, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot. You may also receive an email from Slack confirming that the HubSpot app has been installed in your Slack workspace. Now, if your HubSpot user email matches your Slack email, notifications will start working automatically. But if the emails don't match, you'll need to map them. In that case, you'll receive an email or an in-app notification asking you to connect your accounts. You'll receive a confirmation message from the HubSpot app inside Slack. Click Verify to complete the setup. And that's it. Your HubSpot account is now connected to Slack, and you'll start receiving notifications directly in your workspace. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tutorials.